Hi, welcome back to my myCRMSIM. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your WhatsApp device. First of all, you need to purchase a plan and then you can start adding your device. You can either have WhatsApp business account or your personal account. You can connect both of them. So we need to go to WhatsApp devices and then I will click on add device button and then I'm going to select immediate connect option and we'll click continue with WhatsApp. This code will appear for 2 minutes and I need to scan it from my phone. So let's go to the phone where I need to open WhatsApp. And in WhatsApp, I need to go to link devices and we'll click on link the device. And here I'm going to scan the QR code showing on my screen. It will take some time to scan and show the results. Just wait for the message. You will see a message in QR code section. Now you need to check that your device is added or not. You need to visit WhatsApp devices and you need to refresh it if it's not showing here. That's how you are going to add your device. And the next step is to assign this device to your sub account. Thank you.